Introducing the 2010 Mercedes-Benz GLK class. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, power front seats, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.